Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DRG Fitness Sports Music and Fun. Thank you for watching this. Please hit the subscribe button to my YouTube and feel free to watch my videos. I have plenty of videos over there. So in this video today I talk with you about 2020, the year of 2020, how this year it was and what we can learn, what is good for us to remember, because I'm trying to concentrate for positive things rather to concentrate for negative things. But I will start with negative things. And for me, like for everyone, coronavirus affect us a lot. All the situation, people cannot go out as they used to, restriction in every countries in the world and things like that. Plus now with vaccine coming, we have another problem and a lot of different things like that. So a part of this, 2020 was a year that everyone said it was very worst, very bad, very like that. I will not say it was, not in my case. Of course, I didn't get used to it as now. I didn't like it, but I adapt. In life, it's good to adapt yourself. And okay, we have a restriction. We have things we cannot do like before. Anyway, the tendency here in UK is people don't really socialize, and they don't really like to socialize, which is very sad. And this is the tendency now. Every year you see more technology come up and more other things are developed and encourage people not to socialize. Now coronavirus hit us so bad, this is affecting me the most, is almost very difficult to socialize with some other people from except from you meet in a park or you have very close friend, but it's very difficult to make socialize like before because they close everything and things like that. I don't want to mention what happened in USA and other things because a lot of bad things happened this year, but we focus now on positive things. So positive things is you have time to spend with your parents more, with your family, with yourself, get to know yourself better. I don't know, read, do different things you before didn't have time to do it or don't even think about. So it's positive sides, of course, and for me 2020 it was much more better than the year before because I got some goals. I achieved some goals that I want to achieve, and it was very important for me. I got a new job, I got new car. Well, it's not new car, but for me it's new, so I'm very happy with what I got. I move in different location. I discover myself better and better, and the list go on. I have time to meditate. I have time to plan my time. I have time to plan my time better. This is very important because when you think about before March 2020, how your life it was, and think how it is now. Before, everyone was so stressful, so catch in the things they want to do it every single day, and they don't even have time to think, to meditate, to discover other hobbies, other abilities. One of my hobby was to play a guitar, which I am starting to learning, and I have more time to develop. And by the way, check the videos. I have some videos playing the guitar. I have plenty of videos on my channel. You will not get boring. Different content, different for everyone. So I'm trying to entertain people, to keep motivated people who watch this, and to make sure this is my advice. Get positive, try to get positive things in everything, because if you try to get positive things, the outcome results will be better for you. Rather, if you, for example, fix on the negative things, which is I don't know, you can find everything negative in all the situation, but if you focus on positive, even a little positive, if you found, you feel better, you think better, and you can act better in the future for your own good. So of course I have another things to improve myself. I want to achieve some goals that I make myself plan to do. But like I say, for me, 2020, it was a great year. I looked to some statistics. I have a friend in Canada, and she makes some statistics. Many people say it was a good year, but many people say, almost 93% say they want this year to finish. But more than half of percent people say this year it was a good year. So it depends how you look to the picture. You can get a good and positive outcome from what you're looking for. So this is my advice to you. This is some thoughts that I have in mind and I want to share with you. Thank you for watching. For 2021, I want to encourage you to be active, watch less television, do more sport, go more in the nature if you can, exercise home, try to eat healthy, have a healthy lifestyle. It's all about the balance, how you keep the balance. I know it's not easy. It's not easy for me as well. It's for everyone, but this is what I wish for you, and I think it's more important. Peace, love. I know it's very hard to find now love, but we can still hope for that. Peace, love, healthy lifestyle, and sport activity. Try all the time to see positive things in, even if the sky, even if the sky is with clouds, we know under the cloud, above the clouds are the sky clear. So everything is temporary, everything is gone. It depends how you use your time and what you do with your time and how you improve your life day by day. So thank you so much for watching. Please help me to achieve more target. We are 160 on the YouTube. My goal is to reach 200 as soon as possible. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you stay safe. Have a lovely happy new year and all the best. God bless you. Bye bye.